I have got an exact dupe of Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Sticks. This is for 300 rupees and this is for 2700 rupees. Let's check it out and see which one is better. I'm trying the Fenty Beauty in the shade Riri. Oh god, I love the luxe feel on the lips. It's so moisturizing and so hydrating. I love the pink color and the way it looks on the brown skin. I'm trying the Colors Queen now in the shade Hibiscus. Wow, love the pigment. It is so pigmented, so hydrating and moisturizing on the lips. I think the formula is equally the same. The upper lip is the Color Queen and the lower lip is the Fenty Beauty. Girls, in case you want to save some money, go for Colors Queen. Fenty Beauty definitely gives a luxe feel.